Hi, Dave. Merry Christmas. I'm going through email and let's see, I just grabbed your email here. It looks like you're having problems with your furnace. So when you get one red flash, that is an indication on that furnace that it is having a hard time seeing proof that the sail switch or the high temperature switch is intact. In other words, because your sail switch and your high temperature switch are in series with each other. So you never know which one is the one that opens the circuit. So when I hear people saying they have one red flash, so the burner goes out and then sometimes will relight and run and then goes out and rerun. Okay, and if no relight, the board will flash one time. So I would have you, since you're replacing some parts in here, I would go ahead and replace your sail switch and replace your high temperature switch for your furnace. Um, it's like you got the old Atwood, the older style Hydroflame there. So yeah, just kind of replace your sail switch and your high temperature switch while you're in there. And typically with one red flash or with one blinking light versus the two versus the three, um, that should fix it. So basically, I don't think it's the board. I don't. The board is doing everything we expect. The board cannot prove, because it's telling you one red flash, the board cannot prove that it's seeing the airflow, the proper airflow through your furnace. Okay, so yeah, get those two parts, throw them in there, and see if that doesn't fix you out. And so hopefully that helps. If you want to join us on Patreon, that's great. We've got more resources over there for you. So Merry Christmas, and I hope this helps you out. All right.